Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can easily form your own LLC in Florida. So the first thing you want to do is when you're going to scroll down below on the YouTube video, you want to click on the link. When you're going to do it, you'll get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company. It's going to help you create your own LLC without any problems. Also, you can focus on your business and making money and creating value for people. So the first thing I want to do is just click here, Start My Business on Incfile. When you're going to do it, you're going to have the LLC here, and here, State of Formation. You want to choose Florida. Now you have three options here: silver, gold, and platinum. My recommendation is always going like with the middle way with the gold, and I will explain you why. So we can go with the silver, $125. You're gonna have the preparing, filling the articles, unlimited name search, free registered agent service for a year. That's amazing. But as I mentioned, that the goal here is to focus actually on your business. With the middle package, you would get operating agreement, ein business tax number, lifetime company alerts, online access dashboard, unlimited phone and email support if you're gonna have any questions, business tax consultation. This thing is huge. That's the middle way. The next package is really great if you want to have expedited filing. So let's say that if you want to have company made faster than normally. Also the business contract templates, I will show you what kind of templates you can get there. And then you have options to also get domain name and business email. So you don't have to do it by yourself. Like the Incfile is going to solve it for you. So I will go with the middle way right now. Gold package. And the first thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to add a first name and last name and email. So I will add Marcus Stonelius, email tutorial 5. You just add there your email, and then what you have to do is just simply add your number. Okay. I'm going to add also the street address, city, Florida, like this. And when you do it, and when you're going to fill everything, just click next. Then you have option to the state filling time. You can go with the 8 weeks or 20 business days. So we have option here, which one you want to choose. I would recommend going with the 8 weeks if you want, but if you want it faster, you can go press 20 business days. But you don't have to press it right now because the program will offer you the platinum package, and you can choose that if you want to. Completely up to you. Now click next. Now you're going to press the LLC name and choose it. So right here, your company that you want to create. So let's say I'm going to write Sunwe. That's my name of the company. And designator is going to be LLC. Then number of members in my company is 1. And then you're going to have the business purpose here, which can be, let's say, marketing campaigns for small business owners. And I'm going to choose the marketing consulting services. And then you're going to have the company address information here, that you can have professional business address or use my own address. Now we're going to choose which one you want. So if you want to use your own or professional business address. And then what you have to do is just like add the address if you choose yours. Now, if you're going to use with the professional business address, the huge benefit is that you're going to maintain privacy by using a commercial address. And that's huge. Then, is the mailing address the same as the company address above? Yes. Here, you're going to have the premium service package. And now we have option like $149. Here you're going to have what I talked to you about: expedited filling service, business contract templates. So you're going to have the 25 high quality legal documents, terms of service, privacy policy, statement of the organizer. If you don't need that, it's all right. Completely up to you guys. Employee termination letter, and then also option to have a domain name and business email address. So this is what I mentioned. If you want, you can go this way or just go back a few steps and just choose that you want to have expanded filling service alone. Then get upgraded and bonus. If you want, you can do it. If no, no thanks. Now you have to add the members. So if you have multiple members, you can have like multiple options here. If you're a company who is creating another LLC, you just add it here. Other than that, individual, like this, 100% of ownership, and then just press next. When you got it, you're gonna have the assign Incfile as my registered agent, or I would like to act as my own registered agent. I recommend going with the Incfile only because you're gonna have the free first year and guaranteed rates, all inclusive, reduced junk mail. You can read all that here, and again, you can focus on your business. Now when you got it, press next. Here you're gonna have option again to choose the tax identification number information by the IRS, and here I will just add it. And when I have it, again, I will choose the physical address here and let's press next. The next step is that you can choose the bank, and now we have option to have a Bank of America to contact you, or no, not at this time. Again, you can choose that. Click next again. And then you have option to have the tax strategy and free consultation. This is something that I would definitely recommend to do. So Incfile will contact you so you understand how your LLC is taxed, how to reduce self-employment taxes, how to reduce the chance of an IRS audit. This is something that I would definitely recommend for you to do. Click next. And when you got it, we identify 2 licenses for a consulting business in Florida. And now we have option no thanks, I'll do to work myself, or yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. This is something that I would definitely recommend again to do because this is something that you need, those licenses. I'm going to use the company address here. And then I'm going to press next. When I'm right here, you're going to find everything. So formation info, contact information, agent info, company info, member info, business tax consultation. Just review everything if you wrote it correctly. And when you're gonna have it, what you want to do is again press next. And the last step is billing information. So here, billing information, what you have to do is just simply add a card holder, card number and everything, and then just complete and pay. And then Incfile is going to contact you, what you need, and how to do it and how to do everything here. And that's pretty much it. So this is how you can set up and form your own LLC in Florida. This is on Florida LLC, how you can form LLC in Florida. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. I hope you're going to have a great day. And if you have any questions, let me down in the comments. See ya and goodbye.